So now we're going to be doing the unboxing of the MB Quart Nautic NA2-400.2. This is an MB Quart marine / off-road grade, water resistant, 400 watt, 2-channel amp. I got this amp free with some MDX dash speakers for my Polaris Razor. It was the exact same price to order the speakers themselves or to get the kit that had the amp free. So I'm never one to turn down something free. And MB Quart I don't think is a bad quality amp to go with an off-road machine. Obviously you're not going to get the sound that you would in a in a car. It's you're in an open machine. There's nothing really to bounce the sound off, but you do need the volume to overcome the noise of the road, the woods, the ground, the engine, and all that good stuff. So it was free. Can't say no to free. So it's 400 watts, compact design, simple installation in tight spaces. There's all the specs on the back. You can look it up on the internet if you want to know the exact specs. I'm not going to bore everybody with reading those. Open the package. There's your manual. A little Ziploc bag. A couple of nice little MB Quart stickers. I'm assuming this is, yeah, a very, very simple instruction manual. It's good. I like simple. Works for me. It's very well padded. A little bit of silica gel that it usually tells you not to eat, so I'm surprised that one doesn't. Some mounting screws. And there's the amp. Boy, when they said compact, they meant compact. Now this thing has some weight to it, I'll tell you that. It's heavy. That is a solid unit, my goodness. Once again, this is supposed to be marine grade. I guess that's the whole Nautic, the Nautic idea. It looks fairly well sealed. Connectors seem nice. The wiring is very nice. Your power input, your power blue, it says protect red. I guess that means that if it's done in overload or something, it'll light up red. Your inputs, your level, which is your gain, your high pass, low pass, and then you can have high pass filter, low pass filter, or off for your crossover. I am not an audiophile, so if I'm describing something wrong, I apologize. I believe this is the first amp that I have ever bought, so we'll see how it goes. Also in here is, I guess that's what you get for wiring. You don't get a whole lot. And once again, for free, I can't complain about any of this. So I'll have to look in the manual. I'm assuming this big plug here is for your power. It comes with a fuse. What do we got for a fuse? A 30 amp fuse here. And I think the blue is your power lead that comes from your head unit, and then obviously positive battery, negative. These would be your speaker / sub outputs. Right there, so pretty straightforward unit. I don't know whether I need to buy the big, usually you see a big power cable and a fuse and capacitor and a bunch of stuff. Once again, I am not an audiophile at all as far as hooking all this stuff up. I love music. I've just never had big sound systems, so this will be a learning experience for me. Hopefully this is all I need, and if that's the case, that's great. Otherwise, I'll buy what I need. So anyways, pretty solid little unit. I'm impressed so far. For free, I can't complain. Thanks for watching.